Hello, I'm Janet Mason from the League of Women Voters of Hawaii.
And I'm Larry Geller, President of Kukua Council.
We're going to talk about something which is very important to all of Hawaii's citizens, the Hawaii Health Connector. How would you describe it, Larry?
Well, starting in 2014, the way we buy insurance in Hawaii will change due to the Federal Affordable Care Act. And the Hawaii Health Connector is the organization that's going to set the policies and the rules. And right now there's a very important bill in front of the legislature that will affect how we can buy insurance. And we need your help to make sure that bill passes.
This is a very important bill. It will affect how everyone buys health insurance in Hawaii. If you don't have insurance or you're working in a small group, say a small business, this will be the path that you have to follow to purchase your insurance beginning in January of 2014. We have some concerns about the plans for the Health Connector in Hawaii.
Yes, right now there's a board on the Hawaii Health Connector, and the board is charged with putting together all the policies and the rules that will determine, in a sense, everything about the Hawaii Health Connector, how it works, how much we pay, whether there's a split between small business and individual plans, which means that the charges for individuals will be higher. And the problem that we have with this right now, and the reason there's a bill in the legislature, is that the three large insurance companies have been seated on that board. This was all done last year. The bill, which is SB2434, is changing that if the bill passes. The bill removes the monopoly insurers as voting members. They're still on the board, but they no longer get to vote.
We think this presents a serious conflict of interest if insurers are seated on the board. It's very straightforward. The health insurance companies have a legitimate interest in selling insurance to cover all their costs and to make a profit. But from the consumer's point of view, they're interested in insurance value at the lowest possible cost. It's obvious these aren't the same thing.
Right. There's a clear conflict of interest when the people who are going to profit from selling insurance are on the board setting the rules of how we will purchase insurance starting in 2014. So what we'd like to ask everybody to do is to please email or call your senators and ask them to please pass SB 2434 HD3. That's the current form of the bill that's going into a conference committee. And you can reach your senators, all of them, very easily with a single email. And we'd like to recommend that you email both the senators and the representatives. And you do that by sending an email to sens, S-E-N-S, at capital.hawaii.gov. And the same email, reps, R-E-P-S, at capital.hawaii.gov. And ask them to please make sure that SB 2434 HD3 is passed into law.
Insurers should not be voting members on the board, only advisory. That's the message that we're sharing with you today, and we're doing our best together with many other consumer groups in Hawaii to protect your interest.
Right, we're all working together, but we need your emails to make sure that the senators vote the right way on this. So thanks very much for your help.
Thank you very much.